This is a candle kit we made. It's got all the ingredients to make 2 candles with whatever scent you want, essentially. And this is for people that maybe don't want to buy someone else's candles, but want to experiment and see how they can make their own candles. And it's actually how my mom got into candle making. Was she saw an ad on Facebook, said, this is how you make soy candles. She followed it, bought all the ingredients she needed to make a candle, went home, made one. It was hideous, and she stuck with it for another year until she thought that she had perfected the art, and then started selling them to everybody else.
And here you are today.
And here we are, offering people the same opportunity. Soy wax, all natural soy wax. The fragrance oil, this one's Caribbean teak wood. A couple jars, a couple wicks. There's glue in, there's little sticky dots in here somewhere. Right there to stick the wicks to the bottom of the jars. Yeah.
Everything you need.
Everything you need, okay, yeah.